How to use a Clearblue Connected Ovulation test system. Each box contains one holder, one wake-up stick, 25 test sticks, and the leaflet with complete instructions, including how to download the app. To use your new product, follow 3 simple steps. Download and set up the app, connect the holder to your phone, and start testing to find your most fertile days. Step 1. Setup. To start, you need the Clearblue Connected app. Search for it on the App Store or Google Play and download it onto your phone. Create your account and confirm your email address by clicking on the confirmation link that has been sent to your inbox. Please check your spam folder if you can't find it. Step 2. Connect the system. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Insert the wake-up stick into the holder until you hear a click sound and follow the on-screen instructions. A set of flashing icons will appear on the display. Press Look for my holder to connect the system. Select on your phone the icons matching those on the display. The holder is connected successfully. Press the purple button to eject the wake-up stick. Please keep it, as you will need it again. Just enter a few more details, including the date of your last period and your usual cycle length. All done. Setup is complete. If you wish to, you can allow notifications on your phone and switch on Clearblue Connected Smart Reminders so that the app can alert you on the right day to do the test. Step 3. Start testing. The app will tell you when to test. Always test using the first urine after your longest sleep. Take a test stick out of its foil wrapper and remove the cap. Before testing, insert the test stick into the holder, lining up the arrows, and make sure you hear a click sound. The first time you use the test, you'll see some symbols flash briefly on the display. This means the holder is working. These symbols will also flash if you haven't tested for 3 days. To test, either place the absorbent tip pointing downwards in your urine stream for 3 seconds or dip it in a collected urine sample for 15 seconds. Replace the test stick cap and remember to always hold the test with the tip pointing downwards or lying flat. Wait 5 minutes to read your results. Your results will sync automatically when the Clearblue Connected app is open. Bluetooth is activated on your phone and the phone is close to the holder. A circle means you have a small chance of getting pregnant today. A flashing smiley face means your estrogen rise has been detected and you have an increased chance of getting pregnant today, while a constant smiley face means your LH surge has been detected. You have the highest chance of getting pregnant today and tomorrow. Clearblue Connected app also includes a few additional features. You can set up personalised smart reminders to be notified when you should start testing. Track your fertility, add period information, input when you had sex, and also compare your cycles. We hope you'll have a good experience with Clearblue Connected Ovulation Test System. Maximise your chances of getting pregnant in a way like never before.